Okay, so this is the walkthrough for 3610 Ronald Court here in Fremont, in the district of Irvington. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath upstairs. It's about 1,200 square feet. There's living space downstairs, but it's been like this for many years, and it's never been declared with the assessor's office. So it's a question of, did they have a permit? When did they do it? Haven't pursued it, so buyers would probably want to pursue that and find out, ask questions, see what the city says. I've already checked the files, but it's there's nothing on record. So it's a dead-end street. Nice open area here for your ingress, egress. Big, super wide driveway. You got side yard access here, side yard access over there. Utility out front here is incredible for parking. And then you've got this 2-car garage. Lighting is kind of low today, so I'll do my best because it's very cloudy. I don't think we have any lights that are working in this garage. The homeowner is more inclined to obviously sell it as is. And right now we're currently getting the roof, property, and termite inspections done today. So at least we have those in advance to review. This is the main entrance to the house. Then when you go inside, it splits downstairs, upstairs, so we'll look at the upstairs first. Let's see if I got some light here. Yeah. So living room, most noted with the wood beam ceilings. Windows have been updated at one point. These are older dual pane. There's the roofer down there. Here's the view from the living room. There's a fireplace here. It's all wood flooring underneath this carpet. Kitchen at one point has been updated, remodeled. Has rollers, tile counter, so you've got counter here, it's worn, missing a tile edge here, electric stove. You got recessed lighting in here. So it's eat-in kitchen. Closet. Has central heat, so due to the age it's probably just single zone. And then there's one of the secondary bedrooms. Let's see if we can get some light. There we go. Here's the view out the front. It's been in the family for decades, perhaps well over 50 years. There we go. And then in this room, this room is locked. It's another secondary bedroom. And then this will be the primary bedroom. There we go. So primary bedroom, probably the biggest of the three. Again, this window looks over the front. If I see something that needs to be noted on my visual inspection, I'll point it out. Carpet is worn. And I'll also give you an idea what the wood flooring looks like. Closet there. Then the bathroom. Pedestal style sink, shower stall. It's probably part of the closet here behind this wall. And then the hall bathroom. There we go. Let's see what the plumbing's doing. Looks like it's adequate. Jetted tub, shower over tub, linen closet. Cracks here in the hallway. Another crack up here. And then we'll go out to the deck. And then after this, I'll take you downstairs. There you go. Yep. So I saw the deck in the city permit building department documents. They have architectural design. Perhaps one of the largest lots in this neighborhood, or at least on the street. Goes way beyond those palm trees over there, and like I said, it has side yard access. And then yes, the camper will be removed. Looks like you have electrical out here. And then here's the other side to the deck. And then that's the other side yard access down there. Storage shed. Another storage metal shed. It's a big home on a decent sized lot here in Irvington. So I'll give you an idea what it looks like outside. So that's the upstairs. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Let me get the square footage here. So the upstairs is the only area in this house that has the declared square footage with the assessor's office. And let me get a measurement on that. And it's 1,374 square feet. So I'm assuming it's everything up on top here, staircase going to the bottom, down to the garage. And then I'll take you downstairs. So I'm assuming this is probably all permitted living space here. Got the closet. See a light in there. Then you have the furnace and the water heater. So water heater looks fairly new. Furnace might be the original. Looks like an oldie. It looks like there's a light in here. Good. And then circuit breakers. And then obviously back into the garage. So this is probably the declared square footage with the county tax assessor's office. And then I think from this point on, this is all undeclared. So according to what the seller's telling me, that this has been like this for many years. I believe this wall was probably at one point installed by somebody. Has a door over there if you can't see it, and obviously this door here, but this is probably one big massive room that transitioned all the way to here. So you got all this extra space to utilize. My visual here is very limited because of the excess. And then over here, from what I remember, or what I was told, there's a bar that was here, lighting. This overlooks the backyard. So one big room with a wall that was put up years ago. Then in this room, you have laundry. So you got the water heater behind this wall. You have your hot and cold, your drain line here. You even have 220 right there. And then a downstairs bathroom. Shower stall with a fiberglass enclosure. Let's see if we got any water. Yeah, it sure did. It doesn't look like it was running recently. But we'll have a home inspection, property inspection all done, and try and get an idea of if we have any issues here. But so far so good. And then this is the downstairs bedroom. And then this transitions outside, so it has its own entrance. Really good size storage shed. I don't know if I'm going to open that. Fence is leaning. I'll put that in my notes. Really big backyard area. Got a lot of room. There's this downstairs covered patio.
Yep, that was all I needed. The actual little walkthrough.
Okay, take it easy. And then we also have BART, the BART track. BART just came by, so the noise is very limited. This is the back side of the house. Lot size is 9,082 square feet. And then it goes all the way back here to a triangular point. So if I just go back here. Give you an idea about the size. So, utility here is excellent for parking vehicles in the back and getting them off the street. You know, because your parking is going to be limited out front due to the configuration of the house to the street. And I don't know if there's a fireplace downstairs because there's so much stuff downstairs in this room, but there's certainly a fireplace upstairs. And the age of the house, built in 1957. So we're gonna hopefully have this ready here in the next week. Have all the documents, disclosures filled out, reports in, try and get a good idea of what we have here in terms of condition. And then put it on the MLS. Again, seller would like to sell this property as is to the highest and best offer. The address is 3610 Ronald Court. My name is Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty. And if you have any questions, you can always give me a call. My number is 510-506-8686. And thank you for viewing today.